Good morning, everybody. So we're back at school. This is exciting. And today's assembly is to say welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the surprise that was outside for you. It was lovely to see you there. I want to make sure that you're wearing your sticker. You are either a king or a queen of challenges. Now remember, challenges may be hard, but it's through challenges that often, in the end, we learn the most. We learn about ourselves. We learn about not giving up. We build up so many different skills, and we know what it feels like to face a challenge, which can feel not very nice, actually, especially in the beginning when you think, I don't think I can do this, or I don't really want to do this. Sometimes we think that, but we get through that and we look for, when we've got a really positive mindset, we feel that feeling of yuck, and then we find a way to find the answers, to get better at whatever it is we need to do, or to find other solutions if we're a bit stuck. Maybe we ask somebody, maybe we find out more information about this problem, but we don't give up in the end. And because we are back from another lockdown, you did it! You conquered another lockdown. So you have probably gone through this challenge and you have gone through those feelings of, this doesn't feel very nice. I don't think I can do it. Why is this so hard? I bet other people aren't finding it this hard. Lots of things that you think to yourself, which can be a bit negative or a bit tricky to think to yourself, that doesn't feel very nice, or I doubt myself. That's really normal. And often we all have those feelings and we all have those thoughts. But when you're building up your resilience, you have those thoughts, but you get past them. And you know you're going to get past them. And that's the difference. When you're starting to get more and more resilient, it's not that you don't feel those hard times. You do. They are hard. But you know you're going to get through them. And that's the difference. So you have today, you're going to have some time to talk in your classes about what it was like. What was the hardest part for you? What didn't feel very good? Share your experience with your class and listen respectfully to each other's experiences, because you'll have different experiences. And then I want you to have a think, and everybody's going to have a certificate. Now, often you'll get a certificate where you're being rewarded for a skill or something that you've achieved, something you've worked hard on. And it often comes from your teacher. Sometimes it comes from me. Today, your certificate is coming from you. You are going to think about what you are proud of, because you have conquered 3 lockdowns of our school. Now that is pretty impressive, and you would have learned a lot of skills from doing that and going through those hard times. So have a talk today in your classes about, what do you think has been your proudest moment? What's been your proudest skill? What have you got better at? What did you find really hard or really horrible at the start of lockdown this time? And what did you improve on? What are you proud? Now that you look back at it, what are you pleased that you can do now that maybe you weren't doing at the start of lockdown? And you are going to be in charge of this certificate, and you're going to think about what it is that you're going to write there. So it says presented to, you can write your name there, and it says for, so you're going to write, what's this certificate for? So you're going to have a think about, what am I really proud of? And then you can decide here, do you want to sign it yourself? Because you do need to be proud of yourself, and people do need to know what they should feel proud of themselves. So are you going to sign it yourself? Great. Is there a friend that feels particularly proud of you who would like to sign it too, because they've seen you really develop in this area? They could sign it. Or maybe you actually really would like your teacher to sign it as well, because they really feel proud of you too for whatever it is that you've been developing while you were not at school, or while you were in school in the lockdown bubble. And then there's today's date. So once you've got your certificate, you can take that home and you can be super, super proud of yourself, and keep it somewhere safe. Put it on your wall so you can look at it and remember, because when the next hard time comes, the next challenge comes, you can remember, I remember how this feels, but I know that I'm going to get through because I've done this before. Okay? So I will see you later on. I'll see you at the end of the day. Hope you have a good one.